This is Brandon Lawson with Umpire.com. We are excited to bring to you an updated product from UMPLIFE. It is the V2 Flex Umpire Mask Harness with cam buckles. The harness is attached on the side and the top already, but I will use this side to demonstrate how to attach this harness to your mask. So you'll take your strap and loop that through on your mask in the same spot you normally would, and then loop that through on the first reinforced loop. And then you'll take your cam buckle and pop that up, and then that easily pops out of there just like that. Take your strap, lay it down flat, bring your cam buckle back, pop that into place. Now that can easily be adjusted. Fasten your cam buckle down and feed that back through the second reinforced loop, and we're done. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for a more in-depth product review video coming soon.